10:45 a.m. I have about 10 minutes to get my life together. Today we have therapy, but I have work, so I have like work. So all this stuff is gonna be in between my shifts. But today we got therapy. I need to go to LabCorp and do my blood work for my surgery that I'm getting done in February, and then we need to go to what is that place? Oh, we need to do laundry today. Yeah, we need to do laundry, but before I do laundry, I need to stop by Target and get some dryer sheets because I got laundry detergent last week for laundry day, but I forgot to get dryer sheets, so we need to stop by Target and get some dryer sheets. And then I need to go to Marshall's or Ross to get me some little spandex shorts or whatever because I don't have any. And that's really about it. I'm about to brush my teeth and then get dressed. I'm not gonna talk to y'all right now. I'm probably just gonna come back and talk to y'all later because I'm kind of in a rush. Hey y'all, quick little update. We will not be doing the blood work today because I forgot to fast. My bad. I forgot to do the fast, and then I have to print out the form to bring to the place, to the LabCorp or whatever. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to find like a FedEx or something so that way I can print out the form so that way I can have it whenever I go Monday morning because they're closed on the weekend. Unless I can find something that's open tomorrow. If I find something that's open tomorrow, then we're gonna go tomorrow. But I'm gonna find a place to like print out the form that I need for my blood work, and then I'm go up there Monday morning if everything is closed on the weekend. And then yeah, we're gonna go to Ulta and get something for my mom for Christmas because yeah, I was gonna order it, but I feel like if I ordered it and sent it to the house, she's just gonna open it. So I'm just hold on to it and just give it to her when I get back home. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Still gonna go to Marshall's or Ross to get the spandex shorts, and we're gonna do laundry later today. And that's it. That's really all I have on the agenda for today. Yeah, I'm about to take me a quick little nap before I gotta go to therapy, so I'll check back in with y'all later.
Young got no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
It didn't even record anything. Hello. As y'all can see, they did not speak back to me, and they really were not trying to help me at all. And whenever I asked for assistance, they acted like I was bothering them. So as y'all could see, I went to FedEx, but freaking, not even gonna lie, y'all, they was kind of discriminating against me up in there. So I didn't really stay long. They weren't really trying to help me. I was having like some complications receiving my code to like print out my paperwork. They wasn't trying to help me. So I left. I'm just gonna go back another time, or I might have somebody go back for me. But yeah, I'm on my break right now. I know it was something else I was supposed to do, but I just got done eating at the buffet across the street. So I'm probably about to just lay down and take me a little power nap before my last shift. And then I'm probably gonna start on my homework that's due on Sunday. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Need to be responsible. So yeah, but yeah, that's really it. I don't have nothing else for y'all. I'll be back later whenever I'm about to do laundry. And then I'm just gonna close out for today. Bye. I was doing my nighttime routine, and then y'all, I almost forgot my freaking room key. Trying to get content. Damn. Now we're on our way to the laundry room. Y'all, this one been in my hair for a minute. It been in here for a minute. Shout out to Heather done it. Yeah, this one been in my hair for a minute. It's about that time. It probably been about that time, honestly. I hope nobody see me vlogging, then it'll be weird. Literally, after I told her that somebody was in the hallway. We have 30 minutes, so I'm probably gonna go to Target because I need some mouthwash and I need some dryer sheets. So, y'all, I would have vlogged in there, but somebody was in there. Y'all, somebody was in there. I'd be nervous to vlog in front of people. Check out the crib and PJs. Hopefully when I go to Target, I'm not scared to vlog. I be shy to vlog in Target because people be scared. Everybody be freaking staring. I just on some sweats, a t-shirt, and then my pink slippers. Target is literally right across the street. I'm thick. Okay, let's go.
Is it because you like my accent? It's the way that I talk my shit. Is it the way that I wear these glasses? Met him on April the 6th. Okay. About 15 bought me a pack. I heard he be hard on bitch shit. I made him fall in love with a savage. It's the fact that I'm hard on niggas. But no lie, you making me feel. You got no type, but he say I'm the one. Let's go. He must got a thing for real, bitch. I know I can get a little crazy. I know, but I love that you know how to deal with it. I need you to bear with me, baby, for real. I ain't really used to no real nigga. You own me and I'm on you too. I promise I'm not about to let up for nothing. I know I be nagging sometimes. Shit, put dick in my mouth, make me shut up or something. I promise to keep it tight.
But they literally changed the book. And it comes with a bookmark. Why didn't I buy this book before? Like that. Salty. I don't know how I made it to the book section, but I'm here. And I'm trying not to buy records. I'm also trying not to buy a lot of books. I'll talk to y'all later. It's a lot of people I haven't talked about. I got exactly what I was looking for. I just had a really wholesome moment with the lady that was checking me out over making the house smell good. Yeah. I got some books that I was not about to get. Well, I wasn't really trying. But I was like, you know, I need something to do. So I got some books. I'm probably going to Best Buy tomorrow. Let's see, how are we going to do this? How are we going to set y'all up for the freaking... You know what? I'll just do the haul at home. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Best Buy to try to get like a tripod for the phone, because my tripod is at the house and I need something that's like mobile. So I'll give y'all a haul of what I got from Target when I get to the hotel. Okay, bye.
By 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. 500 for your fucking ass, 200 for your fucking nails. You running out of
I got thinner sheets. I got the travel size. Don't ask me why. I got them because usually when I get the full size ones while I'm on the road, I don't ever use the full size ones and I end up having to throw them away. So I just get the travel size. So that way I'm not wasting money. I got this book. It's a little prayer book. And then I got Wicked. That's it for my Target haul. I'm really just gonna finish doing laundry and then like just lay down, watch a couple episodes of Yellowstone. So I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video here, and tomorrow we'll do some stuff like we will go to Best Buy tomorrow. Ulta, we're gonna go to Ulta in the morning because it's usually like less crowded in the morning time. So we're gonna go to Ulta in the morning, we're gonna go to Best Buy in the afternoon, like the evening time, and then we're gonna go to FedEx on my lunch break so that way I can print this paper. And then I think that'll be it for tomorrow. I'm really not trying to do like too much. Like I know it's a lot of stuff that I have to do, but I'm trying not to do too much because I want my vlogs. Because like I told y'all yesterday, I want to post a video every single day for the next year. So I have to have stuff to do every day. Not really every day, but for the most part I have to have stuff to do. And if I do everything in one day, I mean I could do everything in one day, just split it up into vlogs, but then I'm just lose sight of my footage. So yeah. And then my therapist told me that I should just make a list of things that I need to do for the day instead of trying to get everything done in one time. So that I figured that's what I would do, you know. So yeah, tomorrow will be Best Buy, well Ulta, FedEx, then Best Buy. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and end tonight's vlog here. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Much love, many blessings, peace, love, and hair grease. Bye.